with $273 a day with affiliate marketing on autopilot. What's going on, my friends? I'm Nicholas from mindset.win. Welcome to series of videos about how to make money online with affiliate marketing. And the lesson today is how to create your quality content.
All right, welcome back for our next video where I'm going to talk about where to find content writers for your e-zine, for your drip marketing, for your autoresponders. Content is definitely king when it comes to affiliate marketing because you have to help people gather information about a particular product. You have to review it in a manner that's very honest, and then you have to get them to click a link. So a lot of that's going to be driven by the amount and the value of the content that you present to them. So this particular section is going to be one of the shorter videos. I want to just be talking about some aspects of really getting started. So affiliate marketing is simpler than you think. I know you're probably a beginner, as mentioned, hence the reason why you're taking this particular course. And I know that there are a ton of moving parts that we've discussed, but you can literally get started by the end of the day, even if you didn't have a website. It may be a little more complicated now than it was a few years ago, where a lot of people are just doing what's called bump marketing. They'll take a few articles, go on e-zinearticles.com, have a link at the bottom of the article, go into a landing page, they give you a free ebook. You sign up for the free ebook, you're now on the mailing list. They send you a ton of emails regarding some promotional stuff. You click on the promotional information that they send you. It has links going to the affiliate network. They receive an affiliate. So they'll pump out thousands of articles, have tons of free download landing pages all over the internet, get people to download those free books or free lead magnets or free videos or free webinars or whatever. Have you sign up for their list, and then they'll pump out offer after offer after offer. And that's kind of the model. And a lot of people that got started in that, they didn't even have a website. They were just kind of leveraging other websites. So you can do things that way. It's just a little harder right now, especially if you're using paid traffic. It makes it much easier if you're doing what we call direct linking. Typically, direct linking doesn't work as well as building an actual relationship with the client. What I mean by direct linking, let's say you're promoting something for Microsoft, new Microsoft Windows 10 package. So you have a website all about PCs and Windows-based products. Okay, so you have a review and you have a link on your page going directly to Microsoft. So whenever a visitor comes to your page, they click on the link under your Microsoft Windows 10 review. They go directly to the Microsoft page where they can purchase. So that's known as a direct link. Okay, so there's no intermediary between. So another example of direct linking, or maybe a clearer understanding of direct linking, is that I'm advertising on Google. Instead of me sending people from Google to my homepage where I have a review about Microsoft Windows 10, it'll just go directly to the Windows page. So meaning that there's no intermediary between the traffic source and the actual product being promoted. Some affiliate programs do not allow you to direct link. Again, hence why I try to elaborate the importance of understanding the terms of service for the affiliate programs that you sign up for before you sign up. And you can typically get that information from your affiliate manager. So one important thing outside of finding something that you're somewhat interested in, a vertical that you're interested in or have a knowledge of or passion of, is that you want to find a product you believe in. It's almost impossible to sell something that you don't believe in. Some of the best salesmen in the world are the best salesmen in the world because they sell products that they believe in, that they support, and that they maybe even use themselves. Maybe they don't use them themselves, but at least they believe in the product. They feel comfortable in knowing that it's a quality product. You know, because no one wants to put their name behind some type of scam. Okay, so one crucial thing about really getting started is to find something you believe in. Step number 2 is to find professional writers. If you're not a good writer, you're not a great writer, if you write slow, if it kills you to write articles, then just outsource that task. But make sure that the articles are high quality. Make sure that the articles are relevant. Make sure that they're grammatically correct. Make sure that they really speak to the quality of the product that you're promoting. And make sure that they're honest, because you get people that come back to you and they start to label you as an expert. They get honest, valuable information from you, and they'll come back into your CrossFit shoes review site. They'll go to your CrossFit workout gear site, and then they'll go to your workout program review site. They start to become a fan and follower of you because they know you're very honest in the information that you give, and know the information you give provides a huge amount of value. So if you're not good at writing, you definitely need a source for good content. You can go on websites like guru.com, on fiverr.com, on upwork.com, and you can find quality content writers. You can also go on a website called contently.com, but obviously the writers on Contently are going to be quite expensive. You think about companies like Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Apple. They actually hire content writers off of contently.com. So if you have a little more money in your budget, this definitely can be an option for you. Okay, so always keep in mind that you do not need to be an expert to promote an affiliate program. A lot of people think they need to be a yachting or a boating expert in order to have a yachting affiliate program site, and that's just not true. You could be passionate, curious, interested in something, or it could just be something that you feel is a great opportunity, like you can rank, get cheap traffic, rank very well for the SEO, and go from there. So that's also something to consider when selecting a program. So you don't have to be an expert. Okay, all of this, this my lecture notes talk about if you wanted to sell mineral oil, you don't necessarily have to know anything about liquid minerals. Sorry, not mineral oil, liquid minerals. Okay, or you can just hire someone that is an expert. But I will tell you this, and this is from personal experience. I'll start an affiliate site on anything. Scuba dive, okay, and not know anything about scuba dive. But after owning that site for 6 to 8 months, you start to kind of almost become an expert on the topic because you're reading so much information, you're looking at so many videos, you're putting out so much content related to that topic that you almost vicariously become an expert in that given field. Which is also kind of a really cool side of internet marketing, affiliate marketing, is you get to learn a lot of stuff. So if you have what they call adult ADD, and you like go from thing to thing to thing, then internet marketing may be your chosen profession, because it's a huge opportunity to work on different projects and to learn different things constantly. So hopefully this gives you some rough idea about how you can start to leverage articles and content and relate that to your affiliate marketing success. In the next video, I'm going to be talking about setting up your affiliate marketing empire with a blog or a network of blogs. I'm also going to talk about some trends that are no longer working. They are still commonplace as people try to promote software to automate blog creation. Definitely not the way that you want to go. Kind of the time of the auto blog is kind of over. So you want to just make sure that you have a quality, niche, specific blog that's also an authoritative site. So yes, it's okay to start a site that has 10 pages, but ultimately you want to have a site that has 300, 400 pages on a particular topic, 300, 400 pages of reviews of every shoe possible that you can use for CrossFit, for example. The days of just having a small niche site that has 5 pages of content and ranking for them are kind of over. So you have to have an authoritative site that has tons of content, tons of pages, all about one particular topic. Okay, they aren't spammy, they have high quality. So it sounds like a daunting task, but believe me, once you achieve that, success becomes much easier. So join me in the next video. We'll talk about how you go about starting that initial a specific niche blog, and we'll go from there.
Don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel to learn much more in your life with affiliate marketing deeply.